How to use almond oil for hair growth and hair loss cure solution. Almond oil has many uses including treating hair loss, alopecia, and hair fall. Almond oil is extracted from the almond seed which comes from the fruit of almond, a flowering tree species which grows mainly in North Africa, the Middle East, and in some parts of the India subcontinent. The almond oil is healthy to use as it is composed of fatty acids which are saturated, monounsaturated, and polyunsaturated. Almond oil contains omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids which can treat various health conditions. Omega-9 fatty acid benefits cardiovascular health, while omega-6 can contribute to the reproductive health of men, as well as stimulate hair growth. Since then, using almond oil has been preferred by scientists in the treatment of hair loss and in improving overall hair health. According to experts, almond oil is more effective for hair growth and in the prevention of hair fall. Benefits of using almond oil to cure hair loss. 1. Almond oil nourishes and promotes hair growth. Almond oil is rich in proteins and minerals, which make it an effective agent for hair growth. In an experiment done by scientists, almond oil was tested on rats wherein results showed the efficacy of almond oil in promoting hair growth. Over time, consistent use of almond oil on the scalp and hair leaves hair feeling soft, more manageable, and shiny. Almond oil has the capability to make your hair a lot softer. This can also make your hair easy to style, more manageable, and lighter to comb. 2. Almond oil repairs damaged hair. If your hair is damaged due to styling and the application of chemical products such as gels or due to the use of styling equipment and tools such as hair straightening irons, blow dryers, or curling rods, then, you need almond oil. If you frequently visit the salon for hair relaxing, straightening, or curling, your hair could most likely be damaged due to the different chemical treatments. Almond oil is exactly what you need to bring back the beauty and strength of your hair. As a matter of fact, almond oil also lightens the skin. And for this reason, it is often used as a supplement for people on the beach as it lightens up the tan. 3. Almond oil is rich in antioxidants. Yes, indeed, almond oil is very rich in antioxidants due to the presence of vitamin E that boosts your hair's growth while fighting all oxidative elements that ruin and damage your hair. It is really amazing how almond oil could excellently treat hair damage and the production of dandruff in the scalp. Almond oil is the go-to ingredient as it also monitors and checks the scalp from inflammation and/or infections. The rich presence of vitamins A and E nourishes your hair and scalp including your skin. As a matter of fact, almond oil is used to treat medical conditions such as minor and major skin infections like eczema and psoriasis. 4. Almond oil is anti-inflammatory. Very often, we feel our scalp becoming itchy and experience a tingling feeling. This is normally caused by the accumulated dust that turns to dirt on our heads. This dirt can also cause dandruff and bad smell to the hair. Almond oil's anti-inflammation characteristics soothe the hair and scalp as it cleanses your head from within. Scratching your head contributes to the cause of hair fall and hair loss. Almond oil also does its job of protecting your hair from external factors. Another factor that contributes to dust accumulation in the hair and scalp is the overproduction of oil in the head, penetrating the hair and scalp. Almond oil is also known for regulating and bringing back to a normal phase the oil production in the hair and scalp. 5. Almond oil improves blood circulation. Healthy hair is normally produced when there is balanced blood circulation present in the scalp and hair. Good blood circulation can nourish the hair follicles with the necessary nutrients, making the hair very strong and manageable. A matter of fact is that almond oil has many uses and possible applications to the hair. Firstly, it can be used as a massage oil. In this way, it relaxes the muscles in the body and facilitates hair growth. Almond oil is also a great stress reliever. This is the reason why almonds are often mixed with chocolates and dairy milk products. Almond is a good stress remover. For local travelers and nature lovers, almond is a great escape. Almond oil greatly stimulates the brain too to give you a relaxing feeling. Almond oil is also good for the skin. Combining almond oil with rosewater is also good for skin nourishment. You can also use it as a facial moisturizing agent. Almond oil for hair growth, side effects and precautions. A little precaution is necessary for the consumption of almonds and the use of almond oils for hair loss and hair growth. Those who found allergies associated with the intake of almonds should stop using this as a hair medication. Many people have allergies to nuts. This may lead to a more serious allergy and skin problem later. So, the precaution should not be taken lightly. Most people can easily digest about 10 almond nuts daily. However, this is not advisable for those who have heart ailments and breathing problems. Salted almond is also dangerous to health. Do not eat plenty of salted almonds. Be careful when you have a maintained drug medication, as this can interfere with the effects due to the presence of manganese in almonds. Too much consumption of almonds may also lead to indigestion, diarrhea, or constipation. How to prepare almond oil for hair growth. Almond oil can be applied directly to the hair and scalp. Rub a small amount of almond oil on your palms and massage it directly to the hair. Massage the almond oil in between the hair shafts. Use it as a leave-in conditioner. Sprinkle rosemary and lavender to add a little scent. You can style it with a comb and let it dry throughout the day. The almond oil does its own magic to your scalp and hair. How to use almond oil for hair loss. Using your palms, massage your hair with almond oil from the hair shafts, follicles, or hair stem down to the hair tips. Put on the scalp too to cleanse dandruff and other undesirable dirt. To sum it up, almond oil is the most convenient, simple, efficient solution to hair loss and hair fall. It can cure alopecia as well with consistent intake. Almonds should not be taken for granted, as it is a very important dietary supplement. Do you know any other ways or reasons to use almond oil for hair growth and hair loss cure? Please feel free to share it down in the comments section below. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell button to keep you notified and updated with our latest videos. We are trying our best to give you the most informative health-related videos, regularly. Thanks for watching The Health Room.